Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie and Karibu to this channel. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my content. My returning gang, you know I always appreciate you. And to my premier gang members, thank you for always tuning in. So I'm talking a bit faster because today is my nanny's birthday, so I just sent her outside so that I can make this intro. So I want to make some breakfast and then go run some errands. So I'm making some potato pancakes. If you've not, I think I have a full video on how to do that on my channel. I'm going to link that on the description box so you can check that out. I'm trying to cut out wheat, you guys. I know I love wheat so much, but sometimes you can have kidogo. I think that is a good start. So I'm making potato pancakes, as I mentioned, some baked beans and some sausages and some fruits. Basically that's it. So my plan is, so this is a day in my life vlog, you guys. My plan is make some breakfast and then I'm going to go run some errands. As I do that, I'm also going to get this something she's really been wanting to buy her mom. So I know it's her birthday, but I think she really appreciates it. So I'm going to get that one thing and let's see how that goes. And also we'll be making something nice for dinner. So basically that's what we'll be having in this video. So let's get right into breakfast. So here are our ingredients for the potato pancakes. We have some dania, we have 2 eggs, we have 1 big onion. So I'm going to divide this for the baked beans and the potatoes. So we have 5 medium sized potatoes. Okay, this one is small, let's just call it medium. And then we have sugar, salt, some flour, just a little bit. We'll see how much we use. And then some black pepper and spring onions and red onions. So that's it for the potatoes. And then I'm trying out these baked beans, the red kidney beans. So we'll see how that goes. And then we have our sausages right there. So let's get right into business.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh,
So guys, if you are looking into cutting on your weight intake, so definitely this is a good substitute to like the normal pancakes because you just use a little bit of wheat and that's it. So you can try this recipe and tell me on the comment section if you liked it. So yeah.
wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
Also guys, I don't know how many times I've mentioned that this pan is a lifesaver, so definitely recommend it. It just makes work so easy. So
You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this.
I'm going to go ahead and make some coffee and then also make some porridge for my daughter. So my house manager doesn't like coffee, so I'm going to be making some tea for her. So let's continue.
I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah.
So this is instant coffee. I'm just going to put a few spoons inside the kettle, then pour in hot water, give it a few minutes, then add in my hot milk.
Feel you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We gotta party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise.
So guys, that is our breakfast. The potato pancakes turned out really yummy, and then we have our fruits right there. We have some oranges, some apples, and some grapes. Then we have the beans. I'm going to call them the beans because I just figured out when I was cooking them, they are not like the normal baked beans, but they were yummy. So definitely trying that out again. And then we have our sausages and our coffee right there. So once I was done making breakfast, you should have seen the mess in the kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear the sink, wash all the dishes, just to make sure it's a little bit easier for my house manager when I step out. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Make me feel like this. We gotta party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. For a second, let me feel like this. Make me feel like this. So the first stop I made was to order a cake I had not done so, and I didn't get my favorite cake in the size I wanted, but I still got a cake. So I've been getting cakes here for the past 2 years, and I always get this one cake. It's the almond caramel cake. But on this day I didn't get the size I wanted, but I got another one. So yeah. Then I went to town. I did a few things I wanted to do there, and then went to Isli. So this was me in Isli trying to get a kitenge for her mom. She has really been wanting to get her mom a kitenge, so I figured out since it was her birthday, then this would be a really good gift for her. So I'm just going to look around and try get tenge for her. I really hope she loves the color because they were just so confusing, but they were so pretty. So that's what I'm doing. Hi guys, so welcome to my kitchen once again. So I'm currently making some dinner. I'm making some wings, some roasted potatoes, some vegetable rice, and some salad, like coleslaw salad. So basically, you already know why we are making this dinner. I already said in the intro, so let's get right into it. So yeah. So guys, this is what we're making. As I had said, these are the wings. I'm here to marinate those. Then we have our cabbage right here. We have spring onions, red onions. We have the colored peppers. Then we have the carrots. We have the French beans right there for the vegetable rice. And then we have, this is rosemary. We have rosemary right there, ginger, garlic, spices for marinating the chicken. So let's get right into this. It's already late, so yeah. So before I marinate my wings, I'm just going to go ahead and separate the wingette and the drumette, and then like slice it in the middle just to make sure all the juice of the spices get inside. Am I making any sense? I hope I'm making sense. So that's what I'm doing.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
So the spices I'm going to use to marinate my chicken, I'm going to use ginger and garlic, garam masala, some salt, of course, mixed herbs, oregano, paprika, soy sauce, and some vinegar. So there are our potatoes. They're not a lot. I'm just um, cooking a little of the potatoes. So put in some rosemary, salt, some black pepper, and some oil. So as my chicken is marinating, I'm going to put this in the oven, and then we can start on the rice. I wanted my coleslaw salad to be a little bit chilled, so I'm going to prep it right now and then put it in the fridge. So I've added some grated carrots, and then I'm going to add some vinegar, some mayo, some black pepper, and then sprinkle a little bit of sugar. So this was really good. Definitely, you should try it. So let's go ahead and make some vegetable rice. I am pre-boiling my rice and I've just added some salt and some turmeric right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and start on the veggies. So make sure you use a good amount of oil just to make sure that your rice turns out a little bit, what would I call it? Not like so dry and not so wet. So, and a lot of onions. So yes.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming colors I've never dreamed. Oh yeah. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So I love my veggies just slightly cooked, so they're ready. I'm just going to add in my rice. I'm going to add in bits and then mix it just to make sure everything is mixed up well. Let's move on to the wings. So I'm just going to heat up some oil, shallow fry the wings, and then after that we're going to make some sauce, and that will be our dinner. So that's what I'm doing at the moment.
To cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than
I'm not going to lie to you guys, but the number of times I did hide and seek because this oil was just splashing everywhere was countless. So yeah.
it keeps going. I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time.
So let's go ahead and make our sauce. Honestly, this part is so easy, guys. So The ingredients I'm using, I'm just going to use some ginger and garlic, some what is it called, some onions, and then I'm going to mix some barbecue sauce, some honey, and a few spices of your choice, and then add in your chicken. So basically, it's as easy as that. Guys, I know I'm blowing my own trumpet, but a girl can cook. Y'all can see it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some sesame seeds, and our chicken is done. D for done, right? And this is everything. So I also added a fruit salad right there. Then we have our coleslaw, then our baked potatoes, and our chicken wings. So good, you guys. And then we have our rice. So that's our dinner.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let
So, guys, I really do not love the chore. Is it a chore? Okay, I don't like serving food for other people. I really prefer everyone just serving their own portion of food. That's enough for them. So let's go ahead and serve some drink.
higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me.
So once we were done with dinner, we surprised her with the cake. So she had not seen the cake. Guys, she was really, really happy, and we enjoyed our cake. And then gave her all the gifts we had gotten her and her mom, and that was it for this evening. So yes, and we have come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my